Hello and welcome back to J Rainbow, and this is my lovely girlfriend, and I'm introducing her on the channel today.
Hello.
So we're gonna like explain how we met and how we started dating and have been friends for 10 years. How long?
2012 is what
2012. Okay, almost 10 years.
What is today? What year is it?
It's 2021, I think. So we met in middle school and gym class. The worst class to meet anyone ever. Because gym is the worst.
Yeah.
Hate that guy.
Hate that guy.
When did you think? Did we
I
meet
always
a different
think it was
time?
choir.
I mean, it could have been choir.
Because we had to sit closer next to each other. Because our last names are also the same, so we were close, whichever class we were in. Yeah.
We got to sit next to each other a lot, which that was nice.
Yeah. We write little notes.
Yeah.
Who liked who first? Who started?
Who liked who first?
Yeah.
I mean,
I liked you in high school, so.
I was closeted in high school.
I was not.
So.
But I was also.
No, she was not. She had a
single,
girlfriend.
So it's fine.
Yeah. It's whatever. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about her. That's why you didn't shoot your shot?
Yeah. Also, you were closeted.
Also, everyone thought I was straight, except no one really thought I
never thought.
But I told everyone I was straight. That's what happened.
I didn't believe that ever.
I dated a lot of cis men.
And I hated them all.
Rightfully so. I guess we started like getting really close after I graduated college because I moved back in with my mom and she was like 5 minutes from where you
Yeah, like we weren't 5 minutes away the first time.
Yeah.
We also lived 5 minutes away from each other. Either we're middle school, high school, and college.
Not during
except
college,
but after college.
After college. Although I did visit you in college.
That is true. And I could have shot my shot then.
You could have shot your shot. I was single, but I was also still on that men bullshit, so.
Yeah, I was just pretty sure I invited someone over while you were there.
Yeah, you did, and I was very upset. At the time I was like, I don't know why this is so upsetting to me.
Oh. Oh.
Now we know.
I didn't know you were that upset.
It's fine.
It's fine.
My car got broken into, and then you came over, and you were like, no, I'm not gonna leave you. We're gonna go have a fun day at the beach. And so we had a good time at the beach, right?
Yeah, with my entire family.
Right after my car got broken into.
After the beach, you knew?
When
you felt it?
After the beach, I had a feeling at that point. I posted something on my Instagram trying to be discreet. I don't even know why I posted that.
I feel like we should go back to when you had another girlfriend and I liked you then. And we went out for pho. I felt like I was gonna do something then, and then you were like, I have a girlfriend. But no, because you told me you had a girlfriend over Instagram. So then I was like, okay.
You liked me then,
yeah,
but I had a girlfriend.
We don't gotta talk about that either.
Yeah,
yeah, we were just hanging out a lot, going places, hikes.
Yeah.
Kind of date things.
But it was also the pandemic, so like we didn't
have
go
actual
like
places
no.
to go. So of course we were in the forest.
We went to the forest. You know what? That's queer culture right there. Going to the forest.
We went hiking with my dog. Yeah, you posted that thing on Instagram that was like, I have a crush, and I was like, tell me who your crush is, because I'm the only person you hang out with. So what is it? And you were like, don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
No, that's what you were like.
Oh, you said
I said don't worry about it, and then you said sweetheart, and then I got really triggered.
Oh,
don't worry about it, sweetheart.
You asked me who I had a crush on.
Yeah.
And I said, don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Because I said.
And then you posted a TikTok with.
Oh
can I
my
take
gosh.
it off the wall?
Yeah, you can.
You posted this crying face TikTok, please, and was like, the person I like will never like me. And I was like, who is it? I was like, does she look like that?
No.
And you still wouldn't tell me.
Well.
And I was sussing that it was me. And my cousins were in town. And I was like, you guys. And I was telling all my friends before maybe cousins came to town. I was like, you guys, I like my friends. And I don't know if they like me back. But I think they do. Because they won't tell me what they like. But it can't be me. Because that's dumb, right? But I think it's me. Everyone told me to shoot my shot. And I was going to do it. But then you did it. Yeah, so then they told me they liked me. And I was like, okay, let's go on a date. And then they were like, no. And I was like, what?
Yeah. I was just like feeling nervous because I had just gotten out of a relationship. I don't know.
I was uber depressed.
I was also uber depressed. I just graduated, so I was like trying to like get up out of the the college depression. But then I also talked with my therapist about it, and I was like, I told her no to dating, and she was like, why? And I was like, I don't know, because I'm dumb. Like, what do you want from me? She was like, just do what would make you happy. And I'm like, yeah, okay, then I don't want to hurt her, and like I value her friendship. And she was like, you know, sometimes you just gotta take the chance. And I was like, all right, okay.
2 days after that, you said no, and then you asked me to be your girlfriend, or you said partner, and I was like, where is this coming from? But I said yes. So, and then we fell in love, and then we became gay and got a U-Haul.
We became gay.
I don't know. And drove across the country, and here we are.
In true lesbian U-Haul fashion.
Yeah.
Except I'm not a lesbian. And I guess neither of you.
And it was just a trailer, I guess.
We're both pan. So, I don't know. I just wanted to do a little like introduction to her because I want to have more videos with her on the channel. If you guys have any like questions or comments, nice comments, wholesome, we only want wholesome content in the octopus den.
Please.
That's what I'm calling it. No, I'm not gonna call it that.
Do you have an octopus fact?
I do have an octopus fact that I remember from the video we watched this morning.
Yeah.
That octopuses have sometimes up to like 250 suckers just on one arm, which is insane.
Yeah, and each of
They
those
have 8
suckers
arms.
touches and can smell and tell all this stuff that the rest of the arm brain can take back to the main brain.
You're giving away all the facts, babe.
Sorry.
Also, I will be doing a video soon about why the ocean is queer. So, yeah,
They're all switches.
Stay tuned for that. Yeah, they're all switches. They're all gender fluid. They all change their gender, their sex.
For those of you who don't think it's natural, it's the most natural thing that can be.
It is the most natural thing. Hey, they were doing that crazy stuff in the ocean before we were even here, okay?
Yeah, they're why we are this way.
They literally.